Experiencing random alarm triggers on your Fiat Ducato? The most common culprits are the door contacts, bonnet switch, and interior sensor. Let's break it down. First, understand that these components are part of the anti-theft system, designed to prevent unauthorized entry. False alarms often stem from simple issues like dirt, misalignment, or corrosion. The system operates using negative trigger logic, meaning an open circuit signals a breach. Recent recalls for 2014-2022 models have addressed wiring issues in the central locking module, so check if your Ducato was affected. Start troubleshooting by scanning the ECU with an OBD2 reader for error codes like P1640, indicating immobilizer issues. Now let's get to the fixes. For door contacts, check for misalignment, dirt, or corrosion. Clean the contacts thoroughly. For the bonnet switch, ensure it's correctly aligned and closes flush when the hood is down. Moisture can cause corrosion, especially in wet climates. Interior sensors, often piezoelectric motion sensors, can be overly sensitive. Try adjusting the sensitivity via the key fob. If issues persist, use a multimeter to test continuity in the circuits. Remember to disconnect the battery before any repairs. If DIY isn't your thing, a mechanic can recalibrate the body control module, BCM. Component-specific fixes typically cost between 50 to 200 pounds, significantly less than full system replacements.